What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Subaru Legacy remote key fob. This Subaru Legacy key fob is going to be for the Legacies that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this little silver button on the back of the key fob, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where that emergency key slid out of, and then just below that there's kind of another little notch right here. What I'm going to do is push my screwdriver in the notch, make sure it's all the way in there. Then I'm going to kind of angle the screwdriver up and push up on that back cover, and that'll come off like that. We can pull the back cover off. Then if you just kind of dump this out, the circuit board will come out of the front part, and we see our battery right here. Now what I'm going to do is get my screwdriver and just use it to get under the edge of the battery and carefully pop it out of that holder. Then I'll take my new battery, and you kind of want to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can put this piece back down in the front, and then we can snap and make sure that it's sitting all the way down in that rubber piece, and then we can snap our back cover on, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.